doggy. My phone is... Hold on. I just gotta turn it on. Is it dead? Oh, it's dead. Well, the screen won't turn on, but the phone still works, so the screen is just broken. And I'm gonna show... Oh, see? It's turning on now. But see, the screen does nothing. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that if that ever happens to you. So first, you need to grab your tools and then go outside. Okay. So, after you get all your tools and stuff, see, your knife, and then your phone. First, you just go ahead and toss your phone over there. And then, you grab your knife and beat the crap out of the battery. See? Just like that. Wait, it's not working. Did that work? Maybe it's something. Maybe it's just the screen that's broken and not the battery. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be. Ow, my thumb. And if you can't get it to work, you're gonna have to use a different tool. Hey, my battery's starting to smoke. That's cool. It smells out here. That thing smells. I'm also right next to a pool, so if this thing catches on fire, I'll use water. I am smart. Okay, well, this doesn't seem to be working too well. I think the battery looks a bit worse, so maybe this could be just a video on how to break your phone and not how to fix it. Or maybe it will be how to fix it, I don't know. If this does fix it, then, I'm a genius. If this doesn't, oh wow, look at the camera. I think this might be working. Oh yeah, also this. I forgot about this. It won't work unless you smash this also. Hold on, I think I forgot something. Okay. A match. That way. There we go. That's better. Man, that looks pretty cool. But I also forgot to do that. There we go. Wait, wrong side. Oh wow, the phone. It's like, that's awesome. Okay, now that this is all fixed, I think. Wait a minute. Maybe that didn't burn the whole thing really well. I think I have to light another match. Okay, is it working? Hold on. Maybe I need to get another match. I'll do 3 at the same time. Crap, I accidentally broke one. I think that might have worked. Seems to be going a bit. Oh, there. Just gonna go ahead and let that cook. Okay, after this is done cooking, then you can go ahead and take. Gotta move this. This! Give it one last smash! Okay, then you take the phone and the battery, but be careful, it might be pretty hot. So, you can go ahead and... that's pretty hot. I can just take this, put it right there, place it inside of there, and then do this. If the back doesn't fit on correctly, then you just smash it on. Hold on. It might take a little while for it to come back on. You just gotta do that, and then go ahead and go. And now it should be working. I think. Here, let me see. Yeah, I think that works.